again. Now moving to the exercise 12.2. The question number 1 is now the question will be little bit different from the exercise 1. The question is a park is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now triangle is not given. The given is it is a quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A four-sided closed figure is known as quadrilateral. Has angle C equals to 90 degree. That means out of those two, one vertex is of 90 degree. One angle is given 90 degrees. AB is 9 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter, CD is 5 meters, and AD is 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Now, how much area it is occupying? This we have to tell. That means ultimately we have to find the area of the parallel. So that means the quadrilateral. Now, what is given? ABCD is a quadrilateral. A, B, C. Let's suppose it is 90 degree. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now what is given? Side AB is given 9 meters. Okay. And AD is given 8 meter. CD is given 5 meter. And BC is given 12 meter. And now here you can see it is a quadrilateral, not parallelogram. If parallelogram it is given, we can easily find the area by using the base into height. Okay. Now here a quadrilateral is given. So how can we find the area of this figure? So first you will divide the quadrilateral into two triangles. फर्स्ट हम क्या करेंगे सर दो ट्राइंगल्स में डिवाइड कर देंगे ओके लाइक दिस फर्स्ट यू विल राइट ज्वाइन BD टू मेक टू ट्राइंगल्स नाउ हियर वी कैन अप्लाई हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट बिकॉज BC इज बेस एंड परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज हाइट ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इन दिस वी कैन अप्लाई हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट लेकिन हियर वी कांट अप्लाई हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट बिकॉज इट इज नॉट गिवन कि एंगल A इज 90 डिग्री. If angle A is 90 degree, so we can apply half base into height here as well. But here we cannot apply half base into height. So we need BD. So we have to find BD first. Okay. Here we can see it is angle C is of 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. So first we will find BD. The solution. And triangle BCD. Angle C is of 90 degree. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, what Pythagoras theorem says, the hypotenuse. The square of hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of square of base plus perpendicular. The square of hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of square of base and the perpendicular. Okay. So what is hypotenuse here? It is BD. The square of BD is always equal to the square of BC, that is base, plus perpendicular, that is CD square. Okay. Now we are finding BD. So BC we have 12 meter. CD we have 5 meter. Ultimately what will be the value? The square of 12 will be 144 meter square plus the square of 5 will be 25 meter square. So what will be the answer? 25 and 144. It will be 169. 169 meter square. So what we will have? The square of BD is equal to 169 meter square. So square rooting both sides. Okay. Square. That means square rooting both sides. Both sides हम under root कर देते हैं. Okay. So what will be the value? BD is equal to, ये इससे कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, 169 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो 169 is the square of what? 13 meter. So we will have BD is equal to 13 meter. Now we have BD as well. So now first we'll find the area of quadrilateral is equal to, area of quadrilateral is equal to, quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. ABD. Okay. First we will find the area of BCD. Now area of triangle BCD is equal to half base into height. We can apply half base into height here because base we have, height we have. Okay. Now base is equal to 12, height is equal to 5. So 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. So what is the answer? 30 centimeter square. Sorry, meter square. Okay. 1 meter from here, 1 meter from here, it will become meter square. Okay. Now moving to the second part, area of ABD. Here we can see the height is not given. So we will apply Heron's formula here. Okay. So from here you will write from here. So area of triangle case 2, that means area of triangle now ABD is equal to, by Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. Now what is S? So first we'll find S. S is equal to A plus B plus C. Now it is the C side. 9 meter plus 8 meter plus 13 meter upon 2. 9, 8, 17, 17 and 13, it will become 30. 30 by 2 equals to 15 meter. Now we have S, 15 meter. The area of triangle S minus A, that is 9, S minus B, that is 15 minus 8, S minus C, 15 minus 13. Okay. Now we will find the value. 15 into 15 minus 9, 6, 15 minus 7, sorry 8 equals to 7 and 15 minus 13 equals to 2. Okay. Now make pairs. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 7 is equal to 7 and 2 is 2. 2 is 2 common here. 3 and 3 making pairs. So that means what is what will be outside? 3 into 2. What is left? 35. 7 5 ja 35. So 3 2 ja 6. 6 root 35. So this will be the area of triangle ABD. Or you can find by finding the value of under root 35. So the value of under root 35 will be 35. 5 5 is 25. 10 will remain. 10 will be here. And double of 5 will be 10. So 00 9 ja 901. So the value comes out to be round about 5.9. So or you can write here 5.9 into 6. 6 9 ja 54. 5 carry 6 are 30. 30 plus 5 35.4 centimeter square. We have the area of this triangle, that is 35.4 meter square, and area of this triangle is 30 meter square. And we have to find the question says we have to find the area of whole of the quadrilateral. So at last you will write this area of a triangle ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD, area of quadrilateral is equal to what? Area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle ABD is 35.4 meter square plus area of triangle BCD is 30 meter square. So what will be the value? The area of whole quadrilateral, that is ABCD, is equal to 65.4 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the answer. And now moving to the third question, the second question you have to do yourself. The question is, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure 12.38. Find the total area of the paper used. Dimension I have written here. Now Radha made a picture, that means a diagram, that means a figure with the help of a paper. Now here we can see she made an aeroplane like this, whose dimensions are 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here, and 6 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter here, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. First, we can see that there are so many figures in this one. First, triangle, 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 trapezium, and one rectangle. So first we will divide this figure into its parts. So let's suppose this is first part, it is second, it is third, it is fourth, and it is fifth part. Okay. So now how to find the area of this picture? Very easy it is as well. Now first we can apply Heron's formula in this one, because 5 centimeters, so it will be also 5 centimeter, because वो टेढ़ा तो उसको बनाएगी नहीं. So if it is 5 centimeter, it will be of 5 centimeter again, and 1 centimeter here, so it will be 1 centimeter here. So first we will find the area of part 1. Area of part 1. First we will find the area of all parts, then we will add the all the areas to find the total area of this figure. So first will area of part 1 is equal to what? By applying Heron's formula, it will be S minus A, because height is not given to us. Then we can only find with the help of Heron's formula. S minus B and S minus C. So first we will find the S. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. That is, what is A? That is 5. B, that is also 5. C, let's suppose it is 1 upon 2. That is 11 by 2. Okay. Now place the values here. What it will become? Root 11 by 2. 11 by 2 minus 5 centimeter. 11 by 2 minus 5 centimeter second side, and 11 by 2 minus 1. So what it will become? Now convert this 11 by 2, take LCM, so it will become 11 by 2 minus 10, 11 minus 10 by 2 again, after taking LCM, but it will become 11 minus 2 1 are 2 upon 2. Okay, now find the values. So what it will become? 11 by 2, 11 minus 10, that means half. Again here as well half, and here as well, here it will be 9 by 2. Now take common out, that means by making pairs we can take them out. 2 out, 2 out. 9 is the square of 3. So what will be outside? This 2, 2 into 2, and 9 will become 3 after under rooting. What will be left inside? 11. So what will be the answer of this? 3 by 4 root 11. The root 11 has a value 3.32. 3 into 3.32 upon 4. So what will be the value? 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 3 जा 9. Now divided by 4, it will become 4 2 ja 8. What will be left? 19. 4 4 ja 16. What is it? 36. 4 9 ja 13. Approximately this much. So we have the area of first figure, that is 2.49. That's about this 2.49. Okay. This first part we have done. Now moving to the second part. Okay. Now we'll find the area of the second part. It is a question little bit different one, so that's why I'm telling this. So now we'll find the area of second part, that is this one. Area of this will always be equal to area of third part. Why? Because this hand should be equal to this hand. जो ये hand है इस एरोप्लेन का, वो इसके बराबर होगा, equal to. So area of second and third will be equal to each other. So area of second and third part. Second and third part is equal to what? First हम एक का निकालते, then we will multiply it by 2, because both the dimension will be same. It is 6, so it will be of 6. It is 1.5, so it will be 1.5 again. Okay. So now important one, कि how to find the area of second and third part. First we will find the area of first, then multiply it by 2. Okay. Now area of second, though it is here making 90 degree angle, वो straight होगा तो 90 degree angle बनाएगा. If it is of 90 degree, so it will be known as the height of the triangle. So we can apply half base into height here. Okay, we can apply half base into height here. So area of second and third will be 2 into half base into height. We have base. The base will be 1.5 and height will be 6 centimeter. Okay. So what it will become? 2 upon 2 into base, that is 1.5, and height will be 6, and the answer will be centimeter square. 2 can be considered as this 2, 6 multiplied by 1.5, so it will be 9 centimeter square. Okay. Now area of the fourth part. We have the area of first part, second part, and third part. Now we'll find the area of second. That means the fourth part. Okay. Area of second and third is 9 centimeter square. Now we'll find the area of the fourth part. Area of fourth part. We know that it is a rectangle. It is forming a rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, whose length is, let's suppose 6.5 it is given, into breadth is 1 given here. Okay, 1, so centimeter square, so it will be 6.5 centimeter square. Now we have the area of fourth part as well, that is 6.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now the area of the fifth part. Okay. So first we can find it by finding the area of what this figure is. This is a trapezium. We can find it by making trapezium, or we can find it by making 3 equilateral triangles, 3 equal equilateral triangles by construction. हमने इसे 3 equilateral triangle में divide कर दिया. Okay. So area of fifth part is equal to 3 into area of equilateral triangle. Okay. Now how? हमने क्या किया? 1 सेंटीमीटर की एक लाइन यहां ड्रॉन कर दी, 1 सेंटीमीटर की यहां ड्रॉन कर दी. ये 2 था तो ये अलग 1 रह गया, ये भी 1 हो गया. तो नाउ इट इज मेकिंग अ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. व्हाई? ये 2 था, यहाँ 1 डिवाइड कर दिया तो ये भी 1 रह गया, ये भी 1 बन गया. Now 1 centimeter, and we have drawn it 1 centimeter, so it will be again 1 centimeter. Here as well, 1 centimeter, we have drawn 1 centimeter, it will be again 1 centimeter. It is given 1 centimeter, we have drawn 2 lines of 1 centimeter, so it will be again a equilateral triangle. That means we can divide the base into 3 equilateral triangles, or otherwise you can Otherwise, you can find it by using the formula of trapezium as well. We can find it. It is making a trapezium. Though it is parallel to this, वो सीधा होगा तो वो parallel होगा. If it is parallel, so we can find by using sum of the parallel sides into height. Okay. So now we are finding here, because it is little bit different, difficult one. Why? Because we have to find the height first here. That means height we need for finding the area of trapezium. So it is a lengthy process. So I am just making it a equilateral triangle. Okay. Otherwise, you can make it a trapezium and find the area of this trapezium as well. Okay. Now, but I am here. I am making it 3 equilateral triangle. So area equals to 3 into, what is area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. So 3 into what? Root 3 by 4. What is a here? Side, that means 1 square. So what will be the value? 3 into 1, 3 into, what is the value of root 3? 1.732 upon 4. Okay. Now multiply and divide it. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21, 2 carry, 3 1 ja 3, 4 5. The value is coming out to be 5.196 divided by 4. Now divide it. 4 1 ja 4. What is left? 11. 4 2 ja 8. What is left? 39. 4 9 ja 36. What is left? 66. Sorry, 36. 4 9 ja 36. 1.299. Okay. So value of this figure, that means the whole of the trapezium, will be 1.299. Okay. Now at last we have find the area of this figure, area of this figure, area of this figure, area of this figure, as well as area of this base trapezium. Now we will find the area of all. Okay. So how to find the area of this aeroplane is equal to, at last what will we do? We will add all the areas. Okay. So area of, what they are asking for? How much paper she used. How much paper she used. That means the area is the paper used. Okay. So area of aeroplane is equal to, or you can say paper used by Radha is equal to area of first part plus area of second plus area of third part plus area of fourth part plus area of fifth part. Okay. Now put the values. We have area of first part, that is 2.49 centimeter square, plus area of second and third we have done all together. So area of second and first will be, second and third is 9 centimeter square. Area of fourth 6.5 centimeter square. Area of fifth 1.299 centimeter square. Now add all. Okay, 9 0 0 0. So it will be 9 9 0 0 and 9. 18. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 5 8. 8 and 4 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 9 17. 17 18 plus 1 19. The area is coming out to be 19.289 centimeter square. The amount of paper used by Radha is 19.289 centimeter square. So this is how it is done.